Introducing the UVL60 Robot Vacuum with Self-Empty Station, a game changer in home cleaning. Its powerful 5,000 pascal suction effortlessly eliminates hair, crumbs, and dust in one pass, while hair detangling technology means no more manual hair removal. Advanced iPath laser navigation ensures precise cleaning routes, and AI Map 2.0 lets you customize cleaning for your home, including setting no-go zones. The Self-Empty Station is where the magic happens. With a 2.5L dust bag capacity, enjoy up to 60 days * of hands-free cleaning. Sit back and relax while the UVL60 does the work. Sleek and compact, it seamlessly fits into any home decor. With app control, button control, and Alexa compatibility, managing cleaning schedules is a breeze. Experience the ultimate convenience today. Check the Amazon link in the description for more details and say hello to a cleaner, hassle-free home. Don't miss out on this revolutionary cleaning solution. Introducing the Robot Q7 Max Plus Robot Vacuum and Mop with Auto Empty Dock Pure. Get ready to experience pure, hands-free cleaning like never before. This cutting-edge device is packed with features designed to make your life easier. With powerful 4,200 pascal suction, the Q7 Max Plus effortlessly lifts debris and pet hair from floors, carpets, and even cracks. Plus, with twin cleaning power, it can vacuum and mop simultaneously, ensuring a deeper clean every time. Thanks to PreciSense LiDAR navigation, this robot vacuum creates precise maps of your home, allowing for efficient cleaning routes and smart cleaning functions. And with its combined dustbin and water tank, you can clean more without constant emptying or refilling. But here's the best part, the Auto Empty Dock Pure. This innovative dock empties the robot automatically after cleanup, storing debris for up to 7 weeks in its 2.5L dust bag. Don't settle for ordinary cleaning. Upgrade to the Robot Q7 Max Plus and experience the future of home cleaning today. Check the Amazon link in the description for more details and say goodbye to manual cleaning forever. Introducing the Robot T20 Plus Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo, your ultimate cleaning companion. Powered by the latest USLM Air 5.0 algorithm and LiDAR navigation, it creates precise maps and smart sweeping routes, ensuring thorough cleaning without repetition or omissions. With 360 degrees anti-collision and fall prevention, it navigates obstacles effortlessly, avoiding falls and getting stuck. But here's the real game changer, the hassle-free self-emptying station. Enjoy up to 60 days of hands-free cleaning as the 26,000 pascal suction vacuum base station efficiently empties dirt and debris into the 3.5L dust bag. Switch effortlessly between vacuuming and mopping modes with the 3-in-1 sweeping and vacuuming and mopping feature. With 4-level suction modes and 3-level water output, it delivers optimal cleaning results on any floor type. Plus, the removable floating main brush with HEPA filter ensures powerful suction with minimal noise. Experience hassle-free cleaning today with the Robot T20 Plus. Check the Amazon link in the description for more details and take your cleaning routine to the next level. Introducing the Ultinic T10 Pro Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo, the ultimate cleaning solution for your home. With its powerful 4,000 pascal suction and dual rotating mops, this robot vacuum ensures a thorough clean on every surface. Equipped with advanced LiDAR navigation, it accurately detects obstacles and creates custom maps for different areas of your home. Plus, with its self-emptying station, you can enjoy up to 60 days of hands-free cleaning. Worried about your carpets? Don't be! The T10 Pro accurately recognizes carpeted areas and adjusts its cleaning mode accordingly, ensuring optimal performance without wetting them. With flexible control options including remote, app, and voice control via Google Assistant and Alexa, managing your cleaning routine has never been easier. Experience the convenience of the Ultinic T10 Pro Robot Vacuum and Mop combo today. Check the Amazon link in the description for more details and say hello to a cleaner, hassle-free home. Introducing the Onature Q6 Pro Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo, the ultimate cleaning solution for your home. With its powerful 4,000 pascal suction and Y-shaped efficient mopping, this robot vacuum ensures a thorough clean on any surface. Equipped with LDS laser navigation and 26 sensors, it efficiently maps your home, avoiding obstacles and planning efficient cleaning routes. Plus, with its 4L auto self-emptying station, you can say goodbye to smelly garbage cans and enjoy hands-free cleaning for up to 70 days. But that's not all. The Q6 Pro offers vacuuming, mopping, and sweeping all in one, with customizable cleaning modes for different rooms. With a 5,200 mAh battery and automatic recharging, it can clean up to 400 with a runtime of up to 250 minutes. Experience the convenience of the Onature Q6 Pro Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo today. Check the Amazon link in the description for more details and say hello to a cleaner, hassle-free home.